sac passe. So you recorded your video and now you want to edit that video. Only one problem, you don't have an editing software. If you're in that position, no worries, because in this video, I will be showing you how to edit your videos for free. You could be team Android, you could be team iPhone, whatever team you're on. It doesn't matter if you're team iPad. Go to the App Store right now, download an app called CapCut. Follow along with the video. After this video ends, you're gonna edit your video in no time. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to download my cheat sheet, okay? My cheat sheet shows you a bunch of websites that you could go to that will help simplify your whole video creation process. Once you first get to CapCut, click on New Project. You could select any videos here, or you could click on Photos. For some reason, if you don't see all your videos on your phone, you can always click on Albums. Once you find your main video, just click Add. This will be my main video right here. Me and my brother at my baby shower. This is how everything is going to look. At the top is your main video. And of course, at the bottom part right here, this will be your timeline. Your timeline has your video clips. Everything you add in your timeline will show up at the top. You could always zoom in and you can zoom out. All the options you need is at the bottom right here. Your edit, audio, text, stickers, overlay, effects, filters, format, the list goes on. When you select one of them, it will give you more options. Every time you edit a video, it will always add that, and you could easily take it out. Just select it, click delete. This app has no watermark. You don't have to worry about it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to trim the video. That's the most important thing when it comes to editing. This is where you're going to trim it. Where it says edit, click edit, split the video. Click on that right handle and you could drag it forward. Voila. So this is the first way you could cut the video. Now the best thing about editing apps is the fact that you could always undo your mistakes. If you want to undo it, go at the top. Right next to the play button is the undo button. Click on that, just like that, it's back. Now let me show you the second way you could trim your video. This is the way I do it. You see where the line is, the white line. Click edit, select split. I select the other part that you want to cut. Select edit once again, click on split. Now I'm going to zoom in. Immediately you notice the split. All I have to do now is select the clip, click on delete. Voila, shoop, it's cut. Just like that. So that is the second way you could trim your video. Let's just say I want to add a transition, or if I want to add an effect. Just click on that white handle. Voila, once you select it, you will see a bunch of options. You could select any option you want. This app excels when it comes to effects. Believe it or not, these options are the basic transitions. Right by it, if I click on camera, these are like different type of transitions where you notice that the camera is moving. There's social media effects. An MG, I have no idea what that is. It looks okay too. Slide. Go ahead and have fun with it. And this is the effects option. This looks pretty dope. To do something like this in a video editing software usually would take a lot of time. You would have to use After Effects to do it. So once you select your effect or you select your transition, click on that check mark. Voila. Yep, that looks pretty dope. I just need your attention for like a second. If you're watching this video and you find a lot of value in this video, give me a subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. And if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so other people could see it, so it could help somebody else. All right, so let's go back to the tutorial. We trimmed the video a little bit. We added a transition or effects to the video. Let's talk about text. Instead of clicking edit, click on text. So as usual, click on the check mark. To make it bigger, go to the lower right corner. When it comes to the text, you could select where you want to add the text, right? If I want to add the text throughout the whole video, drag the handle throughout the whole video. I want the text to disappear right when the transition appears. Whoop, just like that, it's gone. All right. Once you click on the back arrow, you're going to notice that you don't see the text, but the text is still here. You see that colorful line at the top? That's actually the text. If you want to edit the text more, right? Click on text. It expanded. To make the text look better, click style. This looks pretty cool right here. You could change the font, the style of it, add animation to it. You could control how the text appears. I'm satisfied with the way it looks right now. Voila. And whoop, as soon as my transition hit, the text went away. You notice the little animation that appeared before my text came. That's just the way I want it. If you want to add a clip to your video, you could easily do that. Since this is my baby shower, I want to add a clip of my baby in the video. To add the clip, click on overlay. Click on that plus sign right there where it says add overlay. You could select a video, you could select a picture, you can select a stock video from the app right there on the right. These are like little animation clips that CapCut provides you with, but I will be selecting my own clips. If you select the clip that you add, you can do so many things to it. You could split it, meaning that you could trim it, slow it down, decrease the volume. That's something I'm going to do actually, because there's actually audio from that clip. So I'm going to select volume. I'm going to bring it all the way down. As a matter of fact, right after the transition, I want it to show right here. Select the clip. Now you can make it bigger, you could make it smaller. Voila. Let's talk about how to add music. To select audio, click on add audio, or right next to edit, just click on audio. You could select music from your phone, or you could select music from CapCut. To select music from CapCut, just choose from any of these. Or you could click on that folder icon, click on from device. You could select music from your phone. Let me just add a random music to it. In the bottom, you could see the audio waveform. My video ends here, and then the music is still going. I'm going to cut that part out. Just click on the music, split it. I'm going to select it, then delete it. Voila. Once you are done, go on the top right corner. I know it's hard for you to see it because I have so many icons at the top, but all the way at the top corner, just click on that right there. Just like that, your video will be exporting. One last important thing that I forgot to mention, if you want to change the type of video that you're making, right, you can do that by going at the bottom and clicking on format. 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, 4:3. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comments. And remember, this video is not sponsored or anything, because I only have 180 subscribers. Nobody cares about my channel except for you, because you're watching my video, so you care about my channel. So hopefully this video helped you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave it in the comments, right? make sure to watch this video right here. I talk about a strategy. It's basically editing to the beat. So regardless of what editing software you're using, you could use this strategy. If you have a YouTube channel, you're creating a project for someone, regardless of what it is, you could use this strategy to make your video more exciting, all right? My name is Edgy, and I'll see you later.